In the heart of this dense and daunting forest, you find yourselves facing an unexpected challenge, cut off from the familiar and surrounded by untamed wilderness. I want you to know that your unwavering determination, courage, and camaraderie are the very essence of what makes you exceptional guardians of the law. As the night descends upon the forest, and the eerie sounds of nocturnal creatures echo through the trees, fear may grip your hearts. But remember, you are not alone in this wilderness. You are a united force, a brotherhood bonded by your commitment to protect and serve. The path ahead may be obscured, and the darkness may seem impenetrable, but you have been trained to conquer the unknown. Draw upon your training, rely on your instincts, and lean on one another for support. Together, you possess a reservoir of strength that can overcome any obstacle. In the face of uncertainty, it is natural for doubt to creep in, but you must resist its grip. Instead, let the adrenaline fuel your determination to escape this forest's clutches. Believe in yourselves, as I believe in each and every one of you. You have faced challenges before, and each time you emerge stronger and more resolute.
The wild animals that lurk in these shadows may be fearsome, but you are formidable. Fear can only conquer those who let it consume them. Rise above the fear, embrace the adrenaline, and let it be the catalyst that propels you forward. Remember, the forest may be a labyrinth of darkness, but you are the guiding light that will lead your team to safety. Trust in your instincts and intuition, for they have been honed by your rigorous training and experiences. Take a moment to breathe in the crisp night air and listen to the sounds of nature surrounding you. The rustling leaves and distant calls of wildlife may seem ominous, but they also hold the secrets to your escape. Nature is a vast and interconnected web, and by attuning your senses, you may uncover clues to the way out. Though the forest may challenge you, remember that it also holds beauty and wonder. Allow its majesty to inspire you and invigorate your spirits. Find solace in the knowledge that this experience will strengthen your bond as a team, forging unbreakable ties that will carry you through any future trial.
Time is of the essence, but do not rush blindly. Approach each step with caution and precision, keeping your comrades close and your senses sharp. Together, you are an impenetrable fortress, capable of facing any adversary. As the night wears on, know that there is a dawn waiting to break through the canopy. Hold on to hope, for it is a beacon that will guide you through the darkest of hours. You are not merely gendarmes lost in a forest. You are warriors with an unyielding spirit. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead, for they are the stepping stones to your ultimate triumph. Stay united, stay strong, and stay resolute in your mission to overcome the wilderness that surrounds you. Your families, your fellow gendarmes, and your nation await your triumphant return.